Hello and welcome to this short video where I'm going to show you one of the best tools within Word. This is one that will make a huge difference to your writing. So I've put a sentence here in Word, and this is the kind of sentence that I can write and I can read it and reread it, do that many times and not spot it. Probably you looking at it, you can probably spot what's wrong with this sentence immediately. But what I'm going to show you is in the review tab here, you have this option called Read Aloud. Now if I click on the Read Aloud, it will bring up this options here, and I can move the cursor to the start here, and I can click the play and then listen to what happens.
Do you make mistake like this?
Now, as soon as I hear that, I can immediately hear there's something wrong with it. So listen to it again.
This.
Oh, no, so I put the cursor at the beginning.
Do you make mistake like this?
Do you make mistakes like this? Again, put the cursor at the beginning, listen to it.
Do you make mistakes like this?
Great, now I can hear it, I've corrected it. Over here you've got this little settings button. So should you wish to, you can turn the speed of the voice up really fast like this.
Do you make mistakes?
Whoa, way too fast. Or if you wanted to, you could really slow it down.
Do you make mistakes like this?
Chances are you're gonna want to put it somewhere in the middle. Get a nice natural flow.
Do you make mistakes like this?
That is going to make such a huge difference to your writing, both in terms of the grades that you receive for your work, but much more importantly, in terms of how professional your writing seems to the reader. So it can really help you create a good impression. Hope that's been useful. Thank you for watching.